Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to show you how to customize your Windows experience by changing the default installation location for apps and the location of the user folder also using the registry editor. With these simple tweaks you can free up space on your C drive as well as organize your files the way you want and take full control of your computer. So let's get started. So first I am going to show you how to change the default installation location for apps. So by default apps are installed in the C program files and C program files 86 directories. So these are the directories where the program files are installed. Okay, but if you are running low on space on your system drive or just want to organize your apps differently, you can change the default installation location using the Windows registry. Okay, to get started open the registry editor by pressing Windows plus R on keyboard, and here you have to type regedit and click on OK. If prompted, click yes to allow the changes to the system. Okay, once the registry editor is open, now you have to navigate to the default installation locations key. So for that, in the left hand side you will find H key local machine. You need to expand this. Under this you have to expand the software. Under software you have to locate Microsoft and open it. Microsoft and expand it. Okay. Under Microsoft you have to locate Windows. So here is a Windows. I need to open this. Under Windows you will find current version. Okay. You just click over here. In the right hand side you will find two keys, program files directory and program files directory x86. These are the two files. This key determines the default installation location for 62-bit and 32-bit apps. Simply modify the value of these keys to the path where you want to install your apps. For example, if you want to install apps in D program files instead of C program files, modify the value of program files directory to D program files. So for that you have to just right click over here and click on modify. And here you have to, instead of C you have to type D if you want to install it D drive, and just simply click on OK. Similarly, modify the value of program files directory x86 to change the default installation location for 32-bit apps. Okay, the same way you can change it. So once you have modified the values of these keys, close the registry editor and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So this is how you can change the default installation location for any apps if you have a space issue in your C drive. Otherwise you can keep it as it is. Now I am going to show you how to change the location of the user folder. By default the user folder like documents, picture and music are stored on the system drive, but with a simple tweak you can move them to a different location such as external hard drive or different partition. This can help free up space on your system drive. How you can do this? For that, the same way you have to open the registry editor. For that you have to type Windows plus R on keyboard, and here you have to type regedit and click on OK. After that registry editor page will open. Now you have to navigate to the H key current user. Expand this. Under this you will find software. Expand this. Under software you will find Microsoft. Okay, and then you have to go to the Windows. Under Windows you will find current version. Then you have to go to the Explorer. Where it is? Yes. Under Explorer you need to find user shell folder. This is the user shell folder. Just click over here. In the right hand side you will see a list of all the user folder and their current location. To change the location of user folder, right click on its name and select modify. Suppose I am going to change the my pictures. So right click over here and click on modify. In the edit string dialog box you can enter the new path of the user folder. Make sure to use the correct syntax, that is %user profile %, then you have to put the new path, where new path is the path of the new location. Once you have entered the new path, click on OK and Windows will automatically update the location of the user folder. So this is how you can also change the location of the user folder, and that's how you can change the default installation location for apps and how you can change the location of the user folder using the registry editor. Remember to be careful when using the registry editor, as making a mistake can cause serious problem with your computer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.